Greetings, dear viewers. You are welcome to this channel. Today we delve into the world of fresh juices with the automatic household electric juicer Sujata, a remarkable kitchen companion that simplifies juicing with its power and efficiency. Stay tuned and discover why this juicer stands out from the rest. Diving right in, let's uncover the unique features of the automatic household electric juicer Sujata. This marvel of a juicer is designed with a high-power motor that ensures efficient juicing, even for the toughest fruits and vegetables. But don't let its power fool you. It's not all brawn. It also boasts of a long-lasting durability that makes it a reliable kitchen partner for years to come. The Sujata juicer shines with its ability to juice a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, allowing you to experiment with your favorite juice combinations. Its compact design also ensures it fits snugly on your kitchen counter without taking up too much space. One of its standout features is the easy cleaning mechanism. No more struggling with pulp and seeds. Just disassemble, clean, and you're good to go. What's more, it comes with a safety lock feature to ensure safe juicing, even with the little ones around. With such a multitude of features, the automatic household electric juicer Sujata is indeed a must-have kitchen appliance. Not only does this juicer have impressive features, but it also comes with a host of benefits. Imagine having fresh, nutrient-packed juice at your fingertips every morning. Not only is it a health boon, but it also saves you from the hassle of bottled, preservative-laden juices. This juicer combines convenience and cost-effectiveness, making it a must-have kitchen appliance. To make it even more enticing, there's a best price offer just waiting for you. And if you're keen to explore, there are more similar types of juicers available on Amazon India and Flipkart. So why wait? Grab your automatic household electric juicer Sujata today and start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we've discussed today. We've delved into the merits of the automatic household electric juicer Sujata, highlighting its effortless functionality and immense benefits. This juicer is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's your gateway to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Until next time, happy juicing! Enjoy fresh fruit juice every day. Stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.